Hey there, WooCommerce merchants. If you want to have more flexibility with your order confirmation emails, you're going to want to see this. So this is the email that I received from WooCommerce after placing a test purchase. And it looks okay, it serves a purpose, but if you want to have more flexibility and add a little bit more spice to it, you can send something like this. So this is the email sent from Omnisend, and this is just a default template. You can adjust it however you like, but this already looks pretty good in my opinion. So let's see how we can set it up. Let's start with the first step, connecting your WooCommerce account to Omnisend. So I'm in the WordPress right now where the WooCommerce is connected. If you do not see the Omnisend icon right here, then you need to pause this video, go down in the description and click on the video explaining how to do it. It's very simple, very easy. So step 2, disabling the WooCommerce automation emails. Let's go to the WooCommerce over here, click on settings, click on emails right here. Here we can disable multiple emails that are sent to our customers automatically. In our case, what we need to do is just disable the completed order. All right, so I'm gonna show you what the WooCommerce editor looks like, and this is what it looks like. If you know what you're doing, you probably have some coding knowledge already, but if you don't know what you're doing, I'm pretty sure the email drag and drop editor is much easier, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. So let's first of all disable this one, so we don't send duplicates to our customers, save changes. And now once that's done, we can move on to step number 3, enabling this automation on Omnisend. Let's go here into the automation section and let's click on create workflow. All right, so we have a bunch of these pre-created templates for you to use, and let's go to the transactional filter over here, and here we can find the order confirmation automation. Let's click over here and we can just pretty much already start it. It's just gonna work because the customers enter the workflow when they pay for the order. So after they pay, they get this email right below it, and customers exit the workflow when the order is canceled. So in case the order is canceled immediately, they're not going to receive this email. They're going to receive the cancellation instead. All right, so now let's actually see what kind of email we're going to send over here. So we can click on this, thanks for your order, and let's go to edit content. So this is the email that we've already seen before, but we can adjust it to our liking. Now, as you can see, the product information is missing right here, but it's going to be populated automatically once the order is completed. So if you want to adjust it a little bit, let's say we want to add a little bit of a discount right here for your next purchase, we can just add it right here. Maybe add a little bit of text over here too. And we can also add discount code right here. But do know that you're going to have to create the actual discount on your WooCommerce dashboard. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so we click on finish editing because we're done with the body of the email itself, but we can also adjust the subject line and pre-header. So for example, thank you for putting your trust in us. Well, that doesn't sound too trustworthy. And now that that's done, we can just start the workflow. And that was super simple. Just disable the order confirmation of WooCommerce and enable it in Omnisend. There are more type of transactional automations. So if you want to adjust them, you can do it just as I showed right here. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about automations in general, we have a link in the description just for you. See you next time.